Back to my YouTube channel, Xauusd. Last week we took 6 trades and all TPs were hit. As you see, first 4 trades given during my live stream. That was an amazing stream. We made 300 pips during that stream. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for live trading with me. Another trade given on Thursday, but it is activated on Friday. And on same day we took another entry. Both trades hit my TP and we made 400 pips. And took a buy on same day and it is running in 70 pip profit on Friday. I'm sending trading signals on my Telegram channel regularly. So join my Telegram channel. Link is in description. So coming to weekly forecast. This week we have CPI and interest rate data. My major lookout on buy side. As you see this line 1983, it is a monthly opening price. I'm expecting a little bullish move upside to 2012-2020. But my major buy lookout at 1983-1987. TP will be the all-time high for New Year. I'm looking for buy during an interest rate data. This is my weekly outlook. Good luck with buys. And good day. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel Forex Dude.